morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad and back on the ATinPA. This is a nice little stretch here. This 2 weeks here, end of April, beginning of May, really kick some butt here. After I'm done today, it'll be almost 30 of the miles done in 2 weeks here, and I will be past my halfway point. I'll be at 52.7% of the ATinPA completed. Today is May 7th, and that shakes out to 120.9 of the 229.4 miles in PA that I've completed. So just started out here at Sherwood Drive, doing a 5-mile section up to Route 850. So 5 miles. There's one big climb, one big descent. I'll be doing it twice though. I'm going to do this as an out and back. Just didn't want to pay for a shuttle today, and this is sort of a race though, against time. It's 10 a.m. now. We're expecting rain, significant probably rain by 2 o'clock. So got a raincoat. I have the rain cover for my pack, and we're probably gonna get wet today, but shouldn't be too bad. That'll be a first for this series of hikes here. I usually schedule and kind of avoid the rain and luck out, so we'll see. Beginning of this hike is going to be very flat for about 2 miles. We've had some rain lately, so it's kind of a boggy section here. A lot of planks and wood boards down. We're in Cumberland Valley ATC territory now, CVATC, and they do a great job keeping this trail nice here, especially down along the water. We've been here before. Jay was very impressed at all the streams that are kind of in this 2-mile section, kind of weaving in and out of each other, converging, all that kind of stuff. There's a rusted out car at some point. Not sure if we'll be able to find it. It's getting very green here. And then we're gonna head up and over a mountain ridge. Not sure what mountain it is. I'm gonna have to look that up and maybe edit it in here. But we'll go up to a place called the Cumberland Overlook. Be able to see out towards Scott Farm and everything towards the south. Up and over, Darlington Shelter is up there. Not sure if, kind of racing against time today, so I don't know if I'll stop there, but I may if I'm hungry. It's a very nice shelter. And that is a steep climb. The descent on the other side to Route 850 is a little less steep. Morning. How you doing?
Sorry.
No worries. Good morning. Hi. Okay. So I am trucking. I am making good time. The outlook is, Cumberland Overlook is 1 mile away at this point, and it's 550 feet up. The beginning of the climb here is gradual, nice and easy, and then the second half will be straight up through a couple of switchbacks. So when you get to the sign, CVATC sign for Darlington and sporadic water. You can fill up here at a spring and check out this wreckage. Closest road was that tunnel back there under Wurtsville Road. Like, how's that car get out here? No idea, other than maybe it just kind of blazed the trail as far as it could go and then died. I don't know. It's crazy. So we came up the easy path here. Now it's gonna get a lot steeper. Gonna head out here pretty far. We still have 0.4 miles to go and 260 feet in that distance. So this is gonna swing out here to the east, kind of going up a few bits of elevation here, and then when it cuts left, then it's gonna be a climb up to the Cumberland Overlook and then the ridge above that. So at the Cumberland Overlook here, you come to a nice bench. And then looking out here. So, yeah, definitely, yeah, white barn way out there. I'm sure you can't see on the GoPro. It's Scott Farm down Bernheisel Bridge Road. Yeah, see pretty far south. Made killer time here, so this is good. I am, yeah, I'm 2.5 miles into it here, and yeah, in 54 minutes, so good. I wanted to try and do 2.5 mile hours, which is good. That should get me out of here before the rain, you know, from 10 to 2, and then after 2 the rain starts. So that was the toughest climb right here. So I'll get that done within an hour, and then when I come back around, the climb on the other side is less steep. So making good time, and it's still sunny here for the overlook this time. I don't know how it'll look later. So the Tuscarora Trail, Blue Blaze here is a major trail here across southern Pennsylvania. Kind of runs parallel to the AT for a while. The Tuscarora Trail is actually, it goes through Colonel Denning, and it's actually where I had my one rattlesnake encounter so far. Tuscarora Trail was basically the peak of the hill here, and gonna start, I've already started descending a little bit, but yeah, I've been to Darlington Shelter. That's in my other Sherwood Road videos, so I'm gonna skip it today. Had a snack at the Cumberland Overlook. Feeling good, so we're gonna start going down. The descent to 850 right now. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a bit of a climb on the way back up. So at the summit there, I had 2.2 miles to Route 850 and a descent of over 800 feet. So a lot of that was up there at the top. I seem to have flattened out a little bit here. So it's kind of going to be like on the way up, where it's a gradual climb, gradual climb, gradual climb, and then boom, a lot at the top. So that was almost straight down up there. So gonna need a little bit of energy to get back up and over here. So Yeah, thought I was done with climbing there on the way to 850, but there was a little 250-foot climb in about a half mile. Got me up on a little bit of a ridge here, kind of crossing the end cap of it, if you will. So going downhill again, and I should be within half mile or so of 850, I would think, at this point.
Going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Stopped to catch up on business.
There you go. Yeah, it was dead there for a while, huh? Yeah. So, pretty much crossing two giant fields here, separated by Miller Road. Just a stomped down dirt path, basically. Hikers tend to curse this section in August when it's super hot. It's very exposed and sunny. Route 850 should be just over this ridge. At least there's no rocks in this section. But straight ahead is Cove Mountain Ridge, which you climb and take out towards Duncannon. That is pretty rocky. All right, so here we go. We made it. This is Route 850. Somewhere west of Marysville here. I'm gonna head up to the parking lot here, get away from this road, and eat some lunch, and then I'll get back on it. This is it for the video, so thank you for watching, and we are now over halfway there towards the ATinPA 2021 goal. So thanks for watching. This is awesome. I'm gonna do the hike back. We'll see you next time.